Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about mutations. We already studied about the chromosomal mutation in the last lecture. Now today we will discuss about the gene mutations. So what are gene mutations? One more thing, that what is the difference between the chromosomal and the gene mutations? दोनों में क्या difference है? Chromosomal mutation means that only that a segment of the chromosome it will get mutated. Either it contain DNA, the whole means the segment of the DNA it will get altered, inverted, translocated or duplicated, that we have studied. But gene mutations means what are genes that are the segment of the DNA. ठीक है, क्या होती हैं genes that are the segment of the DNA, and from that DNA, if suppose from that gene, if suppose any sequence it will get altered. कोई सीक्वेंस मीन्स कि जीन के अंदर जो बेस सीक्वेंसेस होते हैं, जो बेस सीक्वेंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं, द नाइट्रोजिनस बेस सीक्वेंस विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द जीन, इफ सपोज दैट विल गेट म्यूटेटेड. ओके, अब वो एक बेस सीक्वेंस भी हो सकता है, वो दो बेस सीक्वेंस भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है, एंड इवन मोर देन दैट ऑल्सो. Now next is the types. There are various types of the gene mutations. First, that is substitution. Substitution means replacement. All of you know substitution का मतलब क्या होता है? That is known as replacement. So when one or more nitrogenous bases are changed with others. Okay, when one or more nitrogenous bases that are changed with others. Now what are the nitrogenous bases? Nitrogenous bases means purines and pyrimidines. So purines that are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines that are cytosine and thiamine. Okay, I think all of you know about the purines and pyrimidines. तो जब प्यूरिन रिप्लेस होगा प्यूरिन से और pyrimidine रिप्लेस होता है pyrimidine से, means when purine is replaced by another purine, pyrimidine is replaced by the pyrimidine. That is known as transition. So now see in this example CAA CGA. A यहाँ पर म्यूटेट हो गया, मीन्स कि ये जो बेस सीक्वेंस था जब वो चेंज हो गया, तो अगर ट्रांसिशन टाइप का म्यूटेशन होगा then this adenine it will be replaced by only guanine. ओके, और अगर यहाँ पर T होता then CTA होता, then it will be thymine, it will be replaced by the cytosine. Okay, now next is transversions. Now what are transversions? That purine they are replaced by pyrimidines. Opposite here, that purines that are replaced by the pyrimidines, like CAA and here CTA. तो A it is a purine and T that is a pyrimidine. Okay, so CAA sequence जो थी वो क्या बन जाएगी? It will become CTA. Now next type is deletions. Transition and transversions both are the types of the substitution type of mutation, substitution type of gene mutation. Next is deletions. From the name also it is clear that if sequences that are lost, when one or more nitrogenous bases that are lost from a gene, ठीक है, जब उनका लॉस हो जाता है सीक्वेंस में से, सपोज वन सीक्वेंस इट इज गिवन हियर, ये एक जीन की सीक्वेंस है सपोज, देन इफ सपोज एनी टू सीक्वेंसेस, अगर ये दो हमने यहाँ पे लिए तो ये दो सीक्वेंस अगर लॉस्ट हो जाती है देन इट विल बिकम CGAACCA. Okay, so this is all about deletions. And next is insertions. Insertions means that when one or more nitrogenous bases are introduced into a gene, कि अगर कोई gene है, if suppose gene is given and these two sequences are inserted, are introduced into a gene. Here I have taken two base sequences, but it is not means compulsion that always the two nitrogenous bases they are introduced into a gene. ऐसा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं होता कि जो है दो ही एंटर हो, तो एक भी हो सकता है, मोर देन टू भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो इफ सपोज TG अगर वो यहाँ पर एंटर होते हैं, देन इट विल बिकम CGA, ATG, CTG एंड CA। तो इनसे क्या इफेक्ट होगा जीन को? जो जीन का जो फिनोटाइप होगा, इन जीन म्यूटेशन से क्या इफेक्ट होता है कि जो जीन का जो फिनोटाइप होता है इट विल गेट चेंज्ड, वो चेंज हो जाता है। वो कैसे चेंज होगा? बिकॉज जो तीन तीन बेस सीक्वेंसेस होते हैं, लाइक सपोज दिस थ्री देन दिस थ्री देन अनदर थ्री, सो these three base sequences, they are known as codon, one codon. This is one codon, this is one codon, this is one codon. So this one codon, it is responsible for coding one amino acid, and it is responsible for coding one amino acid, मतलब एक कोडोन एक अमीनो एसिड ही बनाता है। तो जो फ्रेम था, अगर हम जीन का जो फ्रेम देखें, यहाँ पे CGA था, सेकेंड ACT था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द इंसर्शन ऑफ TG it becomes ATG. तो codon changes, it means amino acids which are responsible for forming the polypeptide, for forming the protein, it also get changed. Okay,